What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. The audio for this clip has not recorded as, you know, the classic bullshit. So yeah, this is the AfricaTwin, welcome. I sold the Phaser last week and I collected this one just after, a few days after. The bike is a 1000cc Honda AfricaTwin, as you can see, in red. It's the DCT version, which is a bit of a subject for some people, I suppose. Which I'm loving so far. It's really good, really responsive. It's so smooth to ride. It's easy, and I love it. So, you know, hate me. In this video, we should go for a cruise up to a forest, take some photos, do some videos, as you probably saw from the start. And yeah, just go for a cruise, chat about the bike, and let you know what I think about it. So yeah, hit subscribe, and I'll chat to you guys in a bit. So there she is, the beast. Yeah. She's not bad. It's a bit wet, so I just gassed it through a puddle, but yeah. Oh, she's tall though. She's very tall. You can't have this bike if you're a short ass. Confirm me that. So yeah, this is the bike I've been dreaming about. It's got so much torque. Bike, but holy fuck, it gets you there fun. It's just so much fun. It's so comfortable, it's so capable. Like, I could go around the world on this, and it, you know, we got about 90, like top end of 90 horsepower, I think. It's like 95 or 98 or something like that, which is basically what the Phaser had from new. Obviously it probably didn't have that, you know, it doesn't have the same torque numbers anywhere near as this, but it doesn't feel, it feels very different. Obviously the engine's very different, the power delivery's, you know, completely different, but it's just got so much power, the grunt bottom end, that it's just brilliant. It's so comfy. It's like sitting on a sofa. Doesn't get any better than this. Tall trees, an AfricaTwin, and a sunny afternoon at the beginning of summer. Do some shifting myself just to get the engine braking in, and we're cruising. Let's go for second, why not? Oh, third. You thought, nah, you need third here, bruv. Oh no, fourth. It's very good at keeping your revs down. It's like, it's properly good on MPG. I think I went the wrong way. I think. There's a road that I'm looking for and I'm not sure if I'm at the right one. I don't just wish you could go off-road there. Oh. That V-twin. Is it a V-twin? No, it's not a V-twin, is it? I've absolutely no idea. The Pose twin. I have no idea. It's a twin. I mean, that's kind of a given in the name, isn't it, I suppose? But, oh. Honestly, I have no idea where I am. But... oh, yeah, I do. This is where I wanted to be. Huh. She wasn't very happy about that. What's going on here? Ah, is it Racehorse Day? Oh yes, let's do this. Yeah, baby. Action. Oh, a couple of pops, a couple of bangs. No bangs, just a couple of pops. It gargles a little bit. And that's on stock exhaust. You know, it's very stock, this bike. It's nothing fancy. Yeah, fucking bit of water. Nature, baby. Love the sound of it. You drop it down a couple of pegs and it's just, oh, she purrs. I've got a rider TomTom that actually came with the bike. I bought it privately, which is really nice. It's a properly nice bit of kit. Waterproof TomTom. You know, it's good for just if you want to do a big old trip or something and you don't know where you're going. It's nice. It saves you having to look down at your phone. It's kind of like right in front of your eyes. Oh yes, I don't have a clue where I'm going, but we'll have fun doing it. I'm gonna see if there's a way back home from here. So I've got 2 bars of fuel left, and I'm not sure how far that is. We're just exploring new roads. I have no idea where I am or where this goes, but it looks pretty. So we're just going to cruise. Look at these trees. I think that's actually the end of the really pretty bit, but it was fucking gorgeous. Yeah, something a little bit different from now on. We're on an Africa. No more of that ragging it around on a sport bike. We'll just be taking it easy, like a granddad. Nah, not quite, but I'm going to be taking it easy for a little while, just while I, you know, get used to things on the Africa, get my confidence up at manoeuvring it and my low speed stuff, because it is a heavy bike. You definitely notice it, especially with the weight being quite high up. It's top heavy, if you know what I mean. Kind of want to go to the coast road and do the coast road. Fuck it. Where are we? Ah! Okay. That'd be a well cool photo spot at night. Oh, I might do that. I'm gonna have to start an Instagram account for the YouTube, I think, because I'm gonna have photos of this bike like for days. I've got so many already. So I'm gonna start I'm hoping to call it motovlog. It might be something like that, or something to do with Africa Twin, but I'll link it in this video if I've got around to doing it by then. You know what I'm like. Time. Oh, this isn't very nice. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh, yeah, there we go. Nearly. Scary. Going. Envy, jealousy. Woo! Yeah. My voice is a bit fucked because I'm a bit unwell, but here we go. You still recording? Yeah. Wow. Don't know how it's still going. I thought it'd have run out by now. But thanks for watching the channel, everybody. I hope you enjoy my new bike. I do. If not, you know where the door is. Woo! But
yeah, thanks for watching the channel, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's video. There's going to be a lot more content on the Africa Twin this summer. Make sure you stick around, subscribe, like and comment. Let me know what you think. I went for the red one. Yeah, sorry everybody. Peace out.